This color changing drink is absolutely legit. Presenting to you the purple lemonade. Keep watching the video till end. I hope you will be enjoying. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I plucked some butterfly pea flower from my garden plant. This flower is absolutely beautiful and the color is gorgeous. We need to clean the flowers properly, and then in a pan I'm taking a glass of water and slowly putting in our flowers. Boiling the water until the flower started losing its color and the water changes into a blue drink. Straining the drink to another jar or a glass. This is how blue it looks. Comment down below if you love blue color. Now I'm taking another glass, putting in lots of ice cubes, sugar syrup as per your taste, lemon juice because we are making lemonade, salt, chilled water, finally adding our blue drink which we made from the butterflypea flower. This is a scene, and this scene is gorgeous. Look how the blue color when poured into a white cup changed into a purple. I love enjoying this and hope you will too. Like and share this video and subscribe to my channel.